Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how I made this kind of preset in Lightroom Mobile. If you want the DNG file this preset, I will put a link in the description below for you to download. So now let's get started. Exposure plus 0.65. Contrast minus 45. Highlights minus 100. Shadows plus 58. Whites minus 41. And blacks plus 8. Next go to color. Go to color mix. First go to red color. Hue plus 38. Saturation plus 50. Luminance minus 69. Go to orange. Hue plus 9. Saturation minus 9. Luminance plus 6. Go to yellow. Saturation minus 34. Saturation plus 56. Luminance plus 34. Go to green. Hue minus 13. Saturation minus 56. Luminance plus 62. Go to aqua. Hue plus 71. Saturation minus 30. Luminance minus 52. Go to blue. Hue minus 48. Saturation minus 28. Luminance minus 29. Go to purple. Hue plus 69. Saturation minus 56. Luminance minus 59. Go to magenta. Hue plus 72. Saturation -45. Luminance -24. And done. Next go to Effects. Clarity +21. Next go to Detail. Sharpening to 26. Noise reduction to 10. Color noise reduction to 10. And finish. Thank you for your watching. I hope you like this tutorial. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. See you in another video.